Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this quick video, I'll show you how to enable the C translation option on Facebook so you can easily read posts in your own language. So let's jump right in. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Now tap on the menu icon usually located at the top right corner of the screen. And then scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. And then tap Settings. Now scroll down to the language and region section and tap on it. So here you will get all the translation preferences. Here you can see the language you'd like to have your post translated into. Simply tap on it. And here just select your preferred language. Like for me, I prefer English more. So I'm just going to let it be and tap Save and then Return. And tap on languages you don't want automatically translated. So here, add the language you are comfortable with and tap Save and then Return. And once you are done, go back and refresh your feed. Now when a post is in another language, you will see a C translation option appear right below it. You can also do this on Facebook website under Settings and then Language and Region for the same translation options. And yes, that's it. Now you can read any post in your own language with just one tap on C translation. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell icon for more quick Facebook tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.